Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cute baby lion. So you can see that I'm using my thin black pen to draw the baby lion. I'm starting with its head. Now I'm drawing its ears. And this is another ear. Now I'm drawing his eyes. This is the other one. It has tiny eyebrows. Now I'm drawing its long tail. Here's its legs. Okay, now I'm drawing its nose. Let's complete its eyes. Wow, my drawing is done. Now let's start coloring. To do the coloring, I'm using my pink highlighter pen. Now inside its eyes, I'm using my blue pen. To color its body, I'm using my orange pen. Now I'm using my orange highlighter pen. In its tail, I'm using my brown pen. I'm using my black pen in its mouth. I'm using my orange pen again. I'm using my pencil a bit. Wow, it's looking really cute. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.